Greetings, fellow garden enthusiasts. Our gardens are our sanctuaries, bursting with life and beauty, but sometimes that life needs a little taming. That's where weed trimmers, those trusty tools of the trade, come in. From trimming unruly edges to tackling thick brush, the right trimmer can make all the difference in maintaining a pristine outdoor haven. Just like you wouldn't use a shovel to prune a rosebush, selecting the right trimmer for the task is crucial. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the diverse world of modern weed trimmers, empowering you to choose the perfect tool for your unique gardening needs. Imagine strolling through your garden, the air filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. Your lawn, a vibrant emerald carpet, stretches out before you, its edges perfectly sculpted. Hedges stand tall and proud, neatly trimmed into works of art. This is the transformative power of a well-chosen weed trimmer. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding the different types of trimmers and their capabilities will help you achieve professional-looking results while saving you time and effort. Get ready to unleash your inner gardening guru. String trimmers, and also known as weed eaters or line trimmers, are the workhorses of the gardening world. These versatile tools are indispensable for maintaining a pristine garden. They excel at trimming grass and weeds in hard-to-reach areas where your lawnmower fears to tread. Whether it's around trees, along fences, or in tight corners, string trimmers get the job done with precision. Picture this. You've just mowed your lawn, but those pesky weeds around your flower beds and along the fence line remain untouched. It's a common scenario for many gardeners. That's where your trusty string trimmer comes in, effortlessly slicing through them with its rapidly spinning nylon line. This tool ensures that no weed is left standing, giving your garden a well-manicured look. String trimmers come in three main flavors: gas-powered, corded electric, and cordless electric. Each type has its unique advantages and is suited for different gardening needs. Each has its own set of pros and cons, so let's break it down. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right tool for your garden. Gas-powered string trimmers are the heavy hitters, offering raw power and extended run times, making them ideal for large yards and thick weeds. They can handle the toughest jobs with ease. They're like the pickup trucks of the trimmer world. Rugged, reliable, and ready to tackle any terrain. If you have a large property or particularly stubborn weeds, a gas-powered trimmer is a solid choice. However, they also tend to be heavier and noisier than their electric counterparts. The noise and weight can be a drawback for some users. Corded electric trimmers, on the other hand, offer a lightweight and quieter alternative. They are perfect for those who prefer a more peaceful gardening experience. They're like the nimble scooters of the trimmer world, perfect for zipping around smaller yards and lighter trimming tasks. Their ease of use makes them a favorite for many gardeners. Their Achilles heel, the cord. It can limit your range and become tangled, especially in a garden with many obstacles. Yes, it can be a bit of a nuisance, especially if you have a lot of obstacles in your yard. Managing the cord requires some extra attention and care. Finally, we have cordless electric trimmers, the rising stars of the trimmer world. They combine the best of both worlds, the power of gas and the convenience of electric. They offer the convenience of cordless operation with the power of gas, making them a versatile choice for many gardeners. You can move freely without worrying about cords or fuel. They're like the sleek sports cars of the trimmer world, powerful, agile, and always ready for action. Their modern design and efficiency make them a popular choice. However, their battery life can be a limiting factor for larger jobs. It's important to have a spare battery or plan your trimming tasks accordingly. When using a string trimmer, it's all about finding the right rhythm and technique. Proper handling ensures effective and efficient trimming. For trimming around obstacles like trees and fence posts, keep the trimmer head parallel to the ground and use a gentle sweeping motion. This technique helps avoid damage to plants and structures. To create a clean edge along walkways and driveways, tilt the trimmer head slightly so the line cuts at an angle. This gives your garden a polished and professional look. Remember to wear safety glasses and long pants to protect yourself from flying debris. Safety should always be a priority when using garden tools. With a little practice, you'll be trimming like a pro in no time. Mastering your string trimmer can make garden maintenance a breeze and keep your outdoor space looking its best. While string trimmers excel at taming grass and light weeds, they often fall short when faced with more challenging tasks. Sometimes you need something with a little more oomph. Enter brush cutters, the heavy-duty siblings of string trimmers. These powerful tools are designed to tackle thicker vegetation like woody weeds, small saplings, and even dense brush. Imagine clearing a neglected, overgrown area, transforming it from a tangled mess into a blank canvas for your gardening dreams. That's the kind of power a brush cutter brings to the table. With a brush cutter, you can reclaim spaces that seem lost to nature, making them usable and beautiful once again. Brush cutters typically feature a metal blade instead of a nylon line, giving them the cutting prowess to slice through thicker vegetation with ease. They're like the chainsaws of the trimmer world, powerful, efficient, and capable of handling the toughest jobs. However, this raw power comes at a price. Brush cutters are generally heavier and more expensive than string trimmers. They also require more caution when using, as the spinning blade can be dangerous. It's important to understand the trade-offs and ensure you're prepared for the added responsibility. When choosing a brush cutter, consider the size and type of vegetation you'll be tackling. For lighter jobs, like clearing out overgrown weeds, a smaller, less powerful model might suffice. These models are easier to handle and can be more cost-effective for simpler tasks. For heavier-duty tasks, like cutting down saplings or clearing dense brush, you'll need a more robust machine. These heavy-duty models are built to withstand the rigors of tough jobs and can save you time and effort in the long run. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including eye protection, hearing protection, and sturdy footwear when operating a brush cutter. Safety gear is not just a recommendation, it's a necessity to protect yourself from potential hazards. And remember, safety first. Taking the time to prepare and protect yourself ensures that you can power through the tough stuff efficiently and safely. With the right brush cutter and proper precautions, you can tackle any overgrown area with confidence and ease. Section 4, Edges. Defining your lawn's crisp outline. A well-defined edge is the hallmark of a meticulously maintained lawn. It's like the frame around a beautiful painting, accentuating its beauty and drawing the eye. That's where edges come in, those specialized tools designed to create those crisp, clean lines between your lawn and other areas like walkways, driveways, and flower beds. Edges are available in both manual and powered versions. Manual edges, as the name suggests, require good old-fashioned elbow grease to operate. They're like the hand tools of the edging world, simple, affordable, and great for smaller jobs. Powered edges, on the other hand, make quick work of edging tasks, especially for larger lawns or those with tough soil. They're like the power tools of the edging world, efficient, convenient, and capable of handling more demanding tasks. To use an edger effectively, start by marking out the desired edge with a string line or garden hose. This will help you create a straight, even line. Then guide the edger along the marked line, applying steady pressure. For curved edges, take your time and make small overlapping passes. Once you've finished edging, use a flat-bladed shovel to remove the excess grass and soil, creating that picture-perfect finish. Section 5. Hedge trimmers, sculpting green masterpieces. Hedges add structure, privacy, and a touch of elegance to any garden. They can serve as natural barriers, defining spaces and creating a sense of order and tranquility. But left untamed, they can quickly become unruly and overgrown, losing their shape and beauty. This can make your garden look neglected and chaotic. That's where hedge trimmers come in. Those specialized tools designed to shape and maintain your hedges, transforming them into works of art. They help you keep your garden looking neat and well-maintained. Hedge trimmers are available in a variety of sizes and styles, from small handheld models perfect for trimming small shrubs to large gas-powered behemoths capable of tackling even the most formidable hedges. Each type has its own advantages and is suited for different tasks. They're like the sculpting tools of the gardening world. Precise, powerful, and capable of creating intricate shapes and designs. With the right hedge trimmer, you can turn your garden into a living gallery of green sculptures. When choosing a hedge trimmer, consider the size and type of hedges you'll be trimming, as well as your budget and personal preferences. Think about the frequency of use and the level of detail you want to achieve. When trimming your hedges, start by envisioning the desired shape and size. This mental picture will guide your trimming process and help you achieve the look you want. Then, using the hedge trimmer as your sculpting tool, Carefully remove excess growth, working from the bottom to the top and from the inside out. This method ensures a balanced and even trim. For formal hedges, use a string line or a level to ensure straight, even cuts. This technique helps maintain the symmetry and precision that formal hedges require. For informal hedges, let your creativity guide you, creating flowing, natural shapes. These hedges can add a whimsical and organic feel to your garden. Remember to step back periodically and assess your work, making adjustments as needed. This helps you see the overall effect and make sure everything looks just right. With a little practice and a keen eye for detail, you'll be sculpting green masterpieces in no time. Your garden will become a testament to your skill and creativity, a place of beauty and serenity.